So you've just been given your job pack. This has come from the guys in the office. Everything is in here that you need to prepare the project. Inside you will find a handwritten list, a wiring diagram and electrical basics for the project. We will only reference this wiring diagram for the isolated direction, but on here nothing is too important other than the VOC and ISC figures found on the back electrical page. We'll use them to label the red label in the label pack. But for now, we can put them aside. We are going to collect some materials. Alright, let's see what we've got. Simo, so Simo 5, otherwise it's Prima. Tin feet, box of tin feet. Got joiners. So we use join rail. Don't need any. Fantastic. Tile hooks. No tile hooks, so we don't need them. If we do, minimum 4 boxes. Lug. There's lugs for the rail. Quantity. There's 8 in a box. Pack. Get what you need. Clamp. That's our panel clamps, fixings, universal clamps. Minimum 1 box. 2 DC. We've got 2 DC isolators. Cover per isolator. 1 AC. We're doing a 3-phase, so we get the 3-phase version. But we're next to the switchboard, we don't need one. 1 label pack. I put meter box, we need a few extra stickers to go with it. Ask for support. 6 deck tights. Dang. Got them all. 1 16 amp 3-phase. That's a breaker. 1, 2, 3, 16 amp 3-phase. Good stuff. Tools. Go through a quick rundown. Conjugate cutters for the flex, used for the DC isolators. This blade for the terminals on the DC isolators. Big blade for taking out the end caps. Electrical tape for taping out 2 short taps. Multi grips, that's for the inverter. Nips, cutting zip ties or just general cutting. Pliers, again, same function. Alright, these are our bootlace crimps. These are for the terminals in the DC isolators. Second one in is 4mm. We nearly always use 4mm cable. Bootlace goes in, crimp until it pops back out. MC4 crimps. Again, 4mm is the centre of the 3 teeth. I don't think we've ever used anything else. There it goes in until it springs back out. Cable splicers. The circle on the outside is for stripping for a bootlace. The curve on the inside is for stripping for an MC4 connector. Just good markers to use. MC4 spanners for tightening the MC4 glands. Learning the best way to use those will stop your knuckles getting busted up. We need a impact drill. We need a cordless drill with a pilot bit and a 25mm hole saw. PVC glue. Done.